Hey, are you serious about making money online? Are you serious about starting an online business and putting in the work in order to succeed? Good, then watch this video. I'm going to share with you my 10 best tips and steps in order for you to get started right away. Before we get going, hit subscribe and the bell to get notified so that you don't miss out on anything. On this channel, you'll find tips, tricks and tutorials on how to set up an online business for success. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm Swedish, and I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve, regardless of your location or budget. Tip number 1, learn digital marketing. With digital marketing, you're going to learn how to convey a message, to become an influence in your field, to build a following. And you're, for example, going to learn SEO so that your material, the content that you create, and all the great messages that you convey can be found. Tip number 2, learn online business skills, like business models, funnels, and how to grow a business online, which is totally different from the traditional world, the traditional economy. And don't make up your own business model, it's not gonna work. Follow proven ones. And where do you all find all this? Well, you find it at the mentors, link below. Tip number 3, find the support that you need. Mentors, people that know this business, that you can turn to for support, inspiration, and know-how. Look at the proven entrepreneurs and learn from them. Don't listen to the people in the traditional economy telling you that you can't do this. They have no idea how this works. Step number 4, find a community of like-minded people, because building an online business is still quite unusual compared to being in the traditional business, and you're gonna feel alone at times. I'm here, the mentors are here, and the community is. So join that in order to feel not so alone and get the inspiration and the support that you need. Step number 5 is to research your market or niche. And best is to use trends.google.com and just hop on there and search the trends of the world right now. With Google Trends, you can see how different topics and keywords trend across the world over time. And that can give you an indication whether to move into that market or not. Dig deep into yourself to find your passions and try to figure out with your market niche research if you can make it in that niche. Step number 6, create your customer avatar. Who is your customer? What interests do they have? What are their passions? What are their behaviors? What's the struggle of your customer avatar? That's also interesting to know. Your customer avatar should really be someone that you can hang out with, that you like, and that you truly want to provide value. Because this is what it's all about. Unless you're here to provide value to other people in the world, you might as well stop watching now. If you're serious about making a sustainable business, you'll keep watching, okay? Keep watching and hit subscribe if you haven't done that yet. All right, let's move on. Step number 7, decide your marketing platform. And that's related to where your customer avatar is hanging out. Are you finding her or him on Facebook or on Twitter or on YouTube? Maybe you need to blog to find or reach your target audience and convey the messages and the influence that you are seeking to do. Step number 8, build that following. And how do you do that? Well, consistency. Create content like blogs, videos, and posts, and do it regularly, every week, with no exception. Be intentional with your content. Really direct it to your target audience. And step number 9 is to drive traffic all you can. And in order to do that, you need to learn search engine optimization. You need to learn about keywords, about tags, about trends, how to create your content so that it's content that your audience is looking for and so that they can find you. Once you start driving traffic, you also increase your possibilities of selling online. Step number 10 is to grab affiliate links. So you need to research affiliate marketing networks or products that you want to sell yourself. But the easiest way to get started is really to become an affiliate marketer, which means that you're promoting services and products from other vendors. But you're doing it within your niche and your market and within the passion that you figured out in the steps ahead. So research ClickBank and share a sale, sign up to become an affiliate marketer, get the links and start posting them in your blogs, posts or videos so that the people following you get inspired and willing to click on the links And once they buy something from your links, you get a commission. That's the easiest way to get started. Keep going, keep going, keep going, because this is gonna take time. And if you watch this video to the very end, I know you're serious about making money online, and I know you're serious about creating a sustainable online business, in that you're aware that this will not be a quick fix. It's gonna take your time, endurance and consistency. And I'm here to support you. Dig into the tutorials on Google Trends, vidIQ and Filmora and other tips and tricks videos that I have here, so that you can really grow yourself and your business into something successful. Let's go for a better year next year. Get a head start already now. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.